Dr. G, good afternoon. No, it's morning here. Good afternoon, love. Hello, guys, you're so cute. Hi. What's this? You're very pretty. Thank you, Jonathan. You're from Jonathan Mateson, Doctor. You're from? Hello to Tango. Good night, the North Sumatra and Asia. Okay, can you take off? No, no. It's not good. I take care of my channel, so don't do that. Philippines. Dancer, I'm from Philippines. I am Filipina. A Filipina woman. Hi, hello. No, no name. Hello from London. You have to get married. But I do have serious relationship. I only focus to my only son. You're looking nice, thank you. From London, shout out. You're looking nice. And to from Canada, Mohammed Duresi. Thank you, second Kernar. Hernan Ligutum from Philippines. Share live, guys. So hot. I need to. It's too hot. Thank you. Cute smile. No big smile. Welcome to Canada. I don't have passport. Should do something. Do you have? No. Muan ko diha loads. Amo ka mali sa dapitan. Looks hot because it's hot. That's why. Yes, single mother. I invited to watch my upload video since I started on YouTube. So please guys, support my videos, because as you watch my videos, and please don't skip ads to help me have my revenue higher, and have my, you know, I get from salary here. This is the first live on my monetized day back, because last night I was clicking the reapply to get back here and monetize on YouTube. Can you know answer? Deepak Chauba. I help you. How you can help me to go? Ganda mo talaga. Totoo ba yan? Bakit hindi pa ako na meron? Beautiful speech. Asa dapitan yung loads? Oh, from dapitan. Dapitan sa mga. Dapitan hamang. Hello. It's so hot. So hot here. So I may go outside, baby. My son is sleeping at outside. Share live. Share live. To already little. Taga-asa di ka? Oh, my tummy. Kiyak-kiyak pag may time. It's so hot. Tili na doon. Uy, asa ka? Where you from? Hindi kinino. Share live. I want to have my 100 views. Mahal, mahal kita in the gabi. Hello, Big. Bye.